Hello guys, my name is Tim and recently I've built a portable solar suitcase. Let's go about the features it already has. Solar panels are attached by hinges and they're held by Velcro inside the suitcase. Retractable legs allow for angle adjustment of the panels. And for grip I have rubber pads on both the panels and legs, allowing panels to stand without falling on slick surfaces. The initial design has a few problems though. I would like to address them in this video. The first issue is small. Legs and cable connections are just dangling from the suitcase and that's cumbersome. The fix is pretty simple. I got these doodads for it. All you need to do is to find the right location, degrease it and stick it on. To release the legs, you can simply release the clips and go on to your final setup. Next up, I've noticed that the legs protrude from the panels. And that's an issue, because I can't lie it down, which was the original intention. I've rotated the hinges around and attached them again to the panels. Took quite a bit of finesse with those nuts and bolts. Now that the panels are facing outside, Velcro on it needs to go. The final thing to take care of is the connection of panels to each other so they don't flap around. To start, I've heated up the piece of pipe and molded it into a bar. Now, after degreasing the surfaces, we can mount Velcro to both the panels and to the plastic bars I've made. These will hold the panels together, but also provide some clearance for protruding parts inside. And that's been the redesign of my solar suitcase. It's less cumbersome to use, faster to set up, and can be stored lying down, which is great. Hope this video was helpful to some of you. My name is Tim, and if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to my channel to keep up with my upcoming videos, with my content, and I'll see you in the next one.